weather.
All right, here we go with rounds of snow and some morning fog. Here's our Viper to start the day around here, and I think it's going to be a little wispy. There's nothing on radar to begin with, but we have a ton of advisories to tell you about. Yeah, we just got lit up overnight to lay out the plan for you so that way you know what to expect today. There will be winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings, and of course we got a wind advisory as well. You can see how they're plotted through Idaho. So we begin with the showers into Salmon tonight, about 6 into the central mountains, and then we push through into the latter part of the evening with snows. The winds begin to pick up into the Treasure and Magic Valleys, and things are going to be quite brisk into the afternoon and evening hours with these advisories that are out there. Things around here this morning are cold. I mean, just bus seat cold. I mean, it is just about 0, and this is how we start around here. So there's all of the advisories and warnings that are plotted out for you. Winter storm warning to the north and back into Oregon. Winter weather advisories into Limhi County. We're at 7 this morning in Salmon. Winter weather advisories on into Limhi County over through Clark. You get into Teton, Fremont, and then you get over toward western Wyoming into Teton and into Lincoln counties. Winter weather advisories there. Past the interstate to the east this morning, we're 13 below in Soda, and it's 4 in Blackfoot, and we're waiting on the storm to arrive. Now, into the Treasure and Magic Valleys, we've got temperatures that are right about 24 into Twin, about 18 into Burley, and the wind's going to pick up 40, 50 mile an hour. We may see 60 mile an hour gusts. So with that, there will be some blowing snow that will affect things as we get into Tuesday early around here to start with. But I'm glad you're starting with us. The afternoon highs today with the fog this morning and some sun poking through later. You'll have more sun into western Wyoming. Clouds begin to roll through here. We'll be about 26 into Rexburg. It'll be about 31 into Blackfoot, about 29 on into Soda, and 37 into Salmon for the afternoon. So radar is clear at this point. There's all of your advisories. The wind chills this morning have us well below 0 into some of those corner pocket counties, 15 below into Soda, over toward Caribou County, and 21 below is what it feels like in Jackson. It feels like 0 in Salmon. It feels like 4 below into Blackfoot. So with fog, low clouds, here comes the trough, windy conditions into the afternoon and even more so into overnight. So we'll 40, 50 mile an hour wind gusts will be picking up this snow and blowing things around. So it'll drift and it will be a snowy overnight. Here comes the other side of the system, and then we clear out and get downright bitter cold on into Wednesday as things clear for us. Now, we talk about accumulations. We're expecting a couple of inches into the valley, more to the eastern side of eastern Idaho where the winter weather advisory is, and more into the benches and the ridges. So you get into the afternoon, here comes the trough, and then we'll see the winds, especially overnight in the Treasure Magic Valley areas, 20 to 40 mile an hour winds with gusts of 40 to 50, and that's just into the overnight. So with temperatures hovering around freezing or just below it, it'll be in the mid-20s in Preston. In the upper valley, around 33 into Swan Valley and Driggs, at 28 in St. Anthony. It'll be 36 in Chalice, 25 in Arco, and up the Snake River Plain, we're going to be in the mid-20s to right around freezing. The local news 8-day extended forecast will be 31, down to 17 tonight, and then colder tomorrow with snow rounds, and then the bottom really just drops out of this. It's going to be 6 below on Wednesday morning. Rexburg, you'll be in the mid-20s until we get to 10 below Wednesday morning. You better hope you got somebody to love. Bright sunshine and twos on into Wednesday. Salmon 37, shower chances for you early, and then colder after that into the mid-20s with single-digit lows. Jackson, it'll be 31 and bright today, 9 for tomorrow morning, and lots of love. It'll be 18, but then we hit these negative numbers overnight. It will be 8 below. Pocatello, it will be 33, and then down to 21 for Tuesday morning with rounds of showers through the day tomorrow. Pardon me, in Idaho Falls, it'll be partly sunny today, 26. Winter weather advisories begin to kick in tonight, and we want to know what ad slogan best describes your love life. Emma?